Sorry, I did not get permission to use the picture. We love the digital real estate for Maskandi. When you look at the numbers of Maskandi, they are mind-blowing. I mean, like you're looking at 100 million views on YouTube for some of their videos, or the total YouTube channel. And you see that there is a market for them there. On Spotify, ukubekezel is sitting on 314 followers, but over 500,000 monthly listeners. Meaning that people are listening but not subscribing. And sometimes we try to figure out that and how it happens. This video are pointing at me. They found something there, which is true. And if you look at our followers, ukubekezel on TikTok, which is the new radio for us right now for you to promote your music, those numbers are massive. And I don't think ukubekezel went there and said to the people, please subscribe, please subscribe. These are organic growth. This is authentic. We say, Blue Nation. Millions of streams across digital platforms highlight Maskandi's growth and cultural relevance.